Hey everybody, it's Tim, and in just a tip this week, we're going to do the t-shirt change trick. Pretty cool, right? And super simple. Now it really is a case of just having one t-shirt or a piece of clothing on and really exaggerating a movement and then refilming it with the new top on, continue that movement, cut them together, and yeah, the more aggressive you are with your movement, the better the sell. So you grab your t-shirt and there you go, you've changed the t-shirt. Now there's other ways of doing it as well. I've seen people grab the shirt and just kind of slam it on, so you kind of get the t-shirt and you go like that. And you could put it to the left or to the right, or is that left? Left, right, whatever. And it makes a really cool, quick way of changing a top. I've seen this used in dance videos, in vlogs, all over the place. Super fun and super simple. Let's throw this into the editor and I'll show you behind the scenes of me changing my top. Awesome, right, we've got Premiere open, but any editing software will do this. This is so simple. As long as you can cut with your software, which I think every editing software can do, you'll be able to do this. You'll see me with the orange t-shirt on. Just for now, just this example, let's just cut that. And then got my orange t-shirt on and I pull and t-shirt off and new t-shirt on, and then copy that movement, which was there, pull. So got the pull. Let's go back to the go and pull there. Let's cut it there, and then come up to me with the pink t-shirt on, and then snap there. So just cut there, move that, shunt that to there, and then see what we've got. There's a little stutter there, so I'm gonna come in. You want to match the movement, so I'm pulling away there and then back in, and so I reckon 2 frames. Let's see what we've got. Pretty close, let's see. Let's just hit real-time play. Maybe 1 frame out, so let's zoom in. There we go. Awesome. Now, crazy simple, but it's just in the setup really. It's making sure you are in the same spot when you change your t-shirt. So change the t-shirt or the piece of clothing with your feet in the same place, in a place where it's constant light, so you've got absolute control. Makes life super easy, and you have to be frame accurate. That really is all there is to it. So if you found that useful, give me a like, because if you don't hit like, I don't know if you like my videos, and hit subscribe if you want to see another one of these videos next week, or maybe 2, because right now I'm doing pretty well at doing 2 videos a week, but don't tell anyone, you'll jinx me. Have an awesome week, and I'll catch you later. Bye.